Let's understand difference between hiking and trekking. Difference in terrain. Hiking usually takes you through well-marked paths, perfect for enjoying the beauty of nature. Trekking, on the other hand, ventures into more challenging landscapes from mountains to jungles, offering a true wilderness experience ahead. Difference in boots. For hiking, comfy boots and a day pack with essentials like water and snacks are key. But when it comes to trekking, you might need those sturdy trekking boots, poles for stability, and maybe even camping gear for the longer adventures. The overall experience. Hiking offers a mix of short day trips and longer hikes, perfect for everyone. On the other hand, trekking is for the adventurous souls seeking a more immersive and challenging journey, often with overnight stays in remote areas. Hope you have enjoyed difference between trekking and hiking. Keep watching Difference Between. Please like, share and subscribe now.